Good morning, kids. Our subject is science. Are you ready to our lesson for today? If you are ready, you need to listen carefully. Our topic for today is all about the body parts of the animals and its functions. Some animals may have similar body parts, but some animals differ in their body parts. So first, the body parts of an insect. Some insects have one or two pairs of wings for flying like butterfly. The wings are different from those of birds as they have no feathers. For insects, some have legs for movement like cockroaches and ants, while grasshoppers use their hind legs to hop. Now let's have the parts of a bee. We have thorax, head, abdomen, antennae, eyes, wings, and legs. An insect like bee has three main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head carries the eyes and the antennae. The antennae are used for feeling, hearing, tasting, and smelling. The three pairs of legs grow out from the underneath the thorax. And now, let's have the birds. Birds are covered with feathers, and their bodies are held upright by two legs. Birds have wings to help them fly. Birds have beaks and claws. Birds that feed on insects have pointed beaks, and birds' claws also help them get their food. An ostrich cannot fly but can run very fast. Now let's have the parts of a fish. As we can see in this picture, fish has scales, eyes, nostril, mouth, gill, and fins. The pectoral fin, the pelvic fin, the caudal fin, and dorsal fins. The body of a fish divided into two parts, the head and the abdomen. And a fish has tail and fins. The fins help the fish move forward in a straight line, turn left and right, and go up and down. The fish are covered with scales or kind of slippery covering for protection. It takes in water through its mouth and then pushes the water out through its slits behind its head. Gills take in oxygen from water so that the fish can breathe. Cats belong to the higher form of animals called mammals. Some mammals are covered with hair and fur. Cats have muscular bodies to help them breathe. A cat's claws are used for marking territory as well as climbing. Along with its sharp teeth, a cat will use its claws to tear apart small prey. A snake does not have feet. It moves by slithering or sliding its body back and forth. The body of a snake has two parts, the head, and a long muscular trunk. A body is covered with scaly skin. A snake does not chew its food but swallow its whole. Its body is stretchable. It uses its tongue to smell, and it has a good sense of smell and uses it to find food. And that is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for listening, kids. Have a great day, everyone. God bless.